Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So yeah, I know it's the month of February and many of you are just like this. But don't worry, I'm here to change your situation. I'm here to show you how you can build this type of website, like this type of game. So you can share this game with your crush, so your crush will be basically playing this game, so capturing all these hearts. So as she capture all the 10 hearts to her basket, then it's going to show you this screen. So will you be my Valentine? So obviously she should like to reject only, right? So you are afraid of that, but nothing to worry. I have created this no button which will simply move away. So only option is to click on yes. And as she clicks on that, you are just simply going to propose her. Virtually of course, so nothing to afraid. Yay, I love you. Beautiful, isn't it? So let's see how you can build this project. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to go to our official site of Geeky Script on GitHub. You can follow me. Next you need to go to repositories and you will get this project called Will You Be My Valentine. So this link I'm going to provide right on our video description. So you need to land over here and you need to download this project. Click on download zip. So that you download it, go there. Here it is, right? Download it, just extract it. Extract it, go inside and you will get this project. Again go inside, you will get all files over here. So just double click on this index.html and here is our project, you can see. Now let's see how you can prepare the URL and you can share that URL with your girlfriend. So for that you need to go to a new tab and to type age1 pages drop, hit enter. So just go to that site. This link also I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you need to provide a domain name. You can give any domain name. I'll give Will You Be My Valentine. And then you need to click on the select folder and you need to go inside that project that you have just now downloaded. So you need to select that folder and you need to click on upload. So yes, I want to upload all the 3 files. Click on upload and it's going to start uploading. You need to click on start deployment. You can see an error coming, project name already exists. So you can write your girlfriend's name over here. So something like Aditi, Will You Be My Valentine Aditi, that is accepting. Click on start deployment. You can give any name. Alright, I just giving a demo like how you can prepare this URL. And bingo, our deployment is successful. But you can see it is saying that it will be only live for an hour. We don't want that, right? We want it to be live forever. So for that you need to sign in. So here you need to provide all the details and click on get a code. You have to do this captcha first and a code will be sent to your account. So just put that code, accept all this and click on sign up for free. And there you go. It is up and running. So you just click on this URL. So you can basically send this URL to your crush so that she can start playing this game. And as she complete catching all the 10 hearts, it's going to show you this screen. So will you be my Valentine? So this no option is not at all clickable. Only option is to click on yes. And as she click on yes, you just proposing her, I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. So that's how you can build this type of website and you can send this to your crush and you can propose and you can really spend a quality February month. Trust me, don't be afraid. You can do it. So send this URL to your crush immediately. I'm sure you can do it. And after doing all that, don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community for more such videos. And if you want to know some other tricks that I have showed you regarding Valentine websites creation, so in that case you can always watch all these different videos. So it's just not limited to Valentine's. I have created other games as well, like this rock paper scissors game and others also, and detailed source code also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So all these links you are going to get on our channel description. So do subscribe and watch my other videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.